Building a sequence in the Connect Now mobile app is easy. Once you've logged on to the mobile app, hit the two horizontal bars in the upper left-hand corner to open up the menu. Go into Settings and slide over and select the tab for Sequences. Once you open up the Sequences area, you'll get a list of any sequences that are available, and at the bottom right of the screen you'll see the green and white plus button, which is where you can add a new sequence. When you're building a sequence, just as with templates, you need to give it a name. We're going to call this Initial Claim Email and Text. We're going to leave the trigger type as manual. We're going to make the terminating event a user reply. And we're going to keep this private for now, so we won't change the public setting. And now we're ready to add our events. So the first thing that we'll do is add an email. And when you go to add an email, it will bring up a drop-down menu that will allow you access to any of the email templates that you've previously created. So we're going to use the initial claim, and we need to select the time interval. And since this is at claim, I want to send it out right away. So I'm going to set it at 1 minute and then just go back. And now we'll add our next step to the sequence. So the next step I want to do is a text. And again, the drop down gives me all of my text templates. I'm going to use first follow-up, and we're going to send the first follow-up, let's say 3 days out. And what this is doing is it's telling the system that 3 days after the sequence is started, I want you to send this text to this particular prospect. So now we'll go back and we can add another event. Let's do another email. This will be our second follow-up, and we can do this 1 week out. So you can see that you can set the time intervals so that you can go minutes, hours, days, or weeks out, and you can add as many events as you'd like to a sequence so that you can have a number of outreaches to a prospective client. Now that we have our sequence saved, all we have to do is hit create, and you'll see now that the initial claim email and text that we just built is showing as available in our list of sequences. If we open that up, we can see that it is not set to public yet. It is a manual trigger. It is a user reply terminating event, and it has 3 events attached to it. If I tap on any of these, it will open up those templates and show me the message that's going out. And this sequence is now ready to use. If you have any questions about building a sequence on the Connect Now mobile app, please reach out to us at support@connectnowinc.com or visit our website www.connectnowinc.com and look for our support page, where you will find a number of articles and videos on using sequences.